After installation, Navigate is not activated. Usually the technician who installs Navigate will activate it, but if for any reason your copy is not activated, you have to do the following steps. 1. Ask your company or the Navigate software distributor to provide you with an ID and an activation key. 2. Press the main Navigate status button and press the Activate Product button. 3. Enter the product ID and activation key and press Activate. If you are in online mode, Navigate will connect to Internet and register the activation code. If you are in offline mode, you will have to save the request file, attach it to a mail message for the server, send it, wait for the reply and import it in Navigate. In case you are activating Navigate as a backup station, please go to see the chapter, Backup and Restore.